Yeah, and we are gonna make a rub for the ribs. And I'll tell you the ingredients we need to make. We have some brown sugar, chili powder, parsley or basil, I don't know, cumin, garlic, salt, onion, cayenne pepper, and black pepper. So let's get to it. So we need to add some brown sugar. We need to add some chili powder. We need to add some parsley or basil. And then we need to add some cayenne chewing. I don't know what it is. Just add some of this. It smells good. Then we need to add some garlic. We need to add some salt. It's all stuck to the top. Look at that. Oh, there we go. Okay. Now some onion powder. There. Then some cayenne pepper. Whoa. Then some black pepper. Well, let's mix it up. Sorry, that was our dog. He was barking at a squirrel. He's pretty much annoying sometimes, but he's really cute. So we are going to mix this up. Make sure you get all the chunks out. Mix it up. So it's good and it's good. Does that look good? Now it's time to rub it on when I'm done mixing. I think that's good. Okay, so ready? Move these aside. This will take a couple minutes, so just sit back and relax. Okay, we're almost ready. Okay, let's bring the ribs to us. So, grab some of this. Just sprinkle it on. Sprinkle it on the ribs. Then rub it. Then rub it. Then you do some sprinkle on this guy. Rub it. Rub it on here. Rub it around. It needs to go. It needs nice and delicious. Okay, get some on here. Okay, we're almost finished. We need a little bit more of the process. Looks okay. I think we're finished the process after these little two ones. Just put a little on each. Okay, we're good. Well, we need a little bit more. Then put some here. Does this look good? Ooh, on that side we're missing some. Oh yeah, get that on there. Okay, I think we need a little bit more in here, then we'll finish the process. Now we are gonna put them in Instant Pot, but I can't do that. So we're gonna have to wrap this video up because my mom has to do it. So remember to smash that like button. We'll see you all next time. Goodbye.